Hi everyone. So in this video or in this series of videos, I'm going to be going over how to navigate the MySimpleShow presentation tool. I'm going to be sort of explaining the site and how to use the functions so that you can approach MySimpleShow with some confidence as you are designing your own presentation. So of course, this is the home screen and each of you are going to start with Create New Video. Now we're going to call this Tools for Meaningful Life. Oops. And I want you to put your name in the title. And you're gonna select create your own script. All right, so MySimpleShow is awesome. It provides you all kinds of different templates to choose from. However, what I have found is for our purposes, the best one really is the blank template. So go ahead and select blank template. And now it's opened up into the drafting screen or the drafting phase of your presentation. And so what's important to know is your draft is going to split your scripts into 3 sections: the title screen, the story, and the end screen. So essentially what your audience first sees, what your audience last sees, and then everything in the middle. Obviously, we are going to want more than just these 3 sections. We're going to want many more slides with different images throughout our presentation. However, for this phase, the drafting phase does split our script into these 3 sections. Okay, so this is where our template comes in, all the work that you've been doing up to this point. I want you to have that open on a separate page. And what you're going to do is essentially copy and paste what you have in these boxes here into these boxes here. So of course, we'll start with your title slide. This is what you're going to put in the title screen box. I'm just going to paste it right in there. Now all these boxes here are going to be pasted into the same space. You're going to copy and then paste it into story. There we go. Okay, and notice I did not paste it directly next to this last word. I pasted it on a new line, and that's going to be very important. So please keep track of where you are pasting. Make sure that each box is pasted into the story at the next line, not directly next to the last word. Okay, so the wrap it up is essentially the ending or the conclusion, and I am going to copy this and paste this into the end screen. So before I move on, something that's really important to notice is you have character limits for each of these 3 sections. And you want to be sort of mindful of that. So just know, I mean, even if you exceed the amount of characters, we'll say for the story, just do your best. You may have to do some cutting and splicing here and there, but later on you will be able to add and edit if you're needing to cut in this phase here. So do your absolute best. Try to get it all in if you can. And later on you can add it even if it exceeds the characters in this phase here. All right, at this point, so that's the draft and the writing phase here. We have all the work that we did yesterday and the day before now applied to our presentation. And you'll select choose visuals.